everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a new account for Shein. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Go to the web address bar at the very top of the screen and type in www.shein.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Shein, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the human icon, which will bring up an expanded menu. Click on sign in/register. If you already have an account, you can sign in with your credentials, that is your email address and your password, on the left hand side of the screen. If you are new to Shein and you'd like to create or make a new account, go ahead and fill in your information in the right hand side of the screen. Choose your country from the drop down and then enter an email address that you have access to. Now head over to the next field where it says password and type in the password that you'd like to use for your Shein account. Where it says confirm password, type in the password one more time. Make sure that both of the passwords in the text boxes matches. Select your style preferences. You may click on this box right where it says by registering you agree to receive exclusive offers and latest news by email. If you want to no longer receive any email, you can go ahead and check unsubscribe option on your email. Finally, after you are done, click the register button. You'll need to go on and verify yourself now. Go ahead and look for the code that has been sent to your email address. Open up your email service provider on the next tab and you'll receive an email verification inbox from Shein. Click it to open and copy the verification code sent in it. Go back to the Shein verification page and type in the code or paste it in. Click on the confirm button right beneath after you are done. You can save your password for future use so that the system will remember it for you by clicking on save at the upper right, or you can also press never for your security. That is how you can easily register for Shein or create an account for Shein with a few simple steps. You can click on shop now and start shopping with Shein. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.